Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're looking at the integral of 1 all over x squared plus 4x plus 8 dx. Let's see how we can integrate this one. Can we use partial fractions here? So partial fractions, that means if we can split the denominator into two factors, is that possible? We can do that. What are the factors of 8 that when you add, you get 4, and when you multiply, you get 8. I can't think of any. 2 and 4, when you add that should be 6. When you multiply 2 and 4, that should be 8, but they don't add to 4. So in this one, we can't factorize the denominator, but we can complete the squares. We can complete the squares of the denominator. So the denominator, so how do you complete the squares of the denominator? X squared plus 4x plus 8. So first, you take half of the coefficient of x, half of the coefficient of x, half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4, half of that is 2. Then you square it again. When you square that again, that should be 4. So this is the magical number. So you add 4 and subtract 4 to this equation, and things will work out nicely. So x squared plus 4x plus 8. Then our magical number is 4. So we are going to add 4 and subtract 4. This equation is the same as this. We are just adding and subtracting 4. There's nothing new happening here. So next is to simplify this one. So this is x squared plus 4x plus, I'll bring this 4, and then the 8 minus this 4. Now when you look at this, x squared plus 4x plus 4, this can be factorized nicely. So this one can be written as x plus 2 all squared. So x plus 2 all squared is the same as x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 8 minus 4. That should be 4. So our denominator can be split this way. So instead of using a denominator x squared plus 4x plus 8, we can use x plus 2 all squared plus 4. Now let's tackle the integral. So we have the integral of 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 8 dx. This can be written as the integral of 1 over what we now have, x plus 2 squared plus 4 dx. And this one looks like a trig sub, but first let's use the u-sub before we use a trig sub. So we can let u be equal to x plus 2. du dx is 1. That means that du is equal to dx. So it means wherever we see dx, we can just plug in du, and we can take our integral from the x world, which is 1 over x plus 2 squared plus 4 dx, into the u world. Integral of 1 over x plus 2 is u, so that should be u squared plus 4 dx is du. So that is the integral of 1 over u squared plus 4 du. We can use the trig sub here. We can let u equal to 2 tan theta. Du d theta is equals to 2 secant squared theta, implying du is equals to 2 secant squared theta d theta. So you know the u in terms of theta. We know u, which is 2 times theta. We can just plug everything and turn our integral from the u world into the x world. So that is the integral of 1 over u. What is u? U is 2 times theta squared plus 4 times du is 2 secant squared theta d theta. That simplifies out to be the integral of 1 over 4. 2 squared is 4 times theta squared is tan squared theta plus 4 times 2 secant squared theta d theta. So next 2 is a constant, comes in front. Integral of 4 is common here and here. So we factorize that out, and that will be tan squared theta plus 1 times secant squared theta d theta. So we can factorize 4 out, 1 over 4 out, so that should be 2 over 4 in front. 1 over this is secant squared theta times secant squared theta d theta. I've done this several times in my other videos. You know that secant squared theta is equals to 1 plus tangent squared theta, or tangent squared theta plus 1. So we can just plug that in here. So 2 over 4 is half. Integral of this cancel, we are left with 1 in the theta world, which is just 1/2 of theta. So what is theta in terms of u? We know that u is 2 times theta. We know that u is equal to 2 times theta. That means tan theta is equal to u over 2, and theta is the arctan of u over 2. So we can plug that into our integral. Integral now becomes 1/2 of theta, and theta is the tan inverse of u over 2. We are not done. We have to move from the u world into the x world, and that should be the final one. But we know that u is equal to x plus 2. From our original u sub, u is equal to x plus 2. So we can just plug that in here, and we should be done. So that should be 1/2 arctan of u x plus 2 over 2. So our original integral of 1 over, let me see, the original one, x squared plus 4x plus 8. X squared plus 4x plus 8 dx is equals to 1/2 tan inverse of x plus 2 over 2 plus c. So this should be the answer for this integral. So we can verify this by taking ddx of our solution. And when you do this, you should arrive at this one, x squared plus 4x plus 8, which is this. So that is integrating by using by completing the squares of the denominator, which will help you to use a trig sub or u-sub. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.